Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we're just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame. As you can see then, forming up very similar to a lot of cryptos have been recently, with this break and retest of this downtrend structure that we've been seeing for the altcoin market. You can see Polygon here getting very oversold down here, potentially putting in some bullish divergences as well. And you can see I did take a long position in this area. It's currently sitting at around break even after having another swing to the downside here. Currently sitting at around break even, as I said, after the breakout, and now we're kind of getting a back test on the way down of that previous resistance as support. Really getting very oversold, but you can see obviously continuing to the downside after getting this breakdown of this Polygon support trend line. As you can see here, bounce in this area, and then finally we're broken down from it. Currently it's sitting in and around that 50-cent-ish area of support, and right now looking very sad, to be honest, this chart. I do think it will probably come good as the bull market comes into fruition over the next year or so, but I do think right now Polygon obviously just very much putting in a bit of a sideways action, and with the breakdown of that key level of support, you're probably looking at quite a lot of sideways for the time being, unless Polygon absolutely rips back to the upside up to this resistance and then continues to the upside. Right now we are just chilling and waiting for Bitcoin to sort its life out so that altcoins can get the pump that they've been looking for and some relief. But right now Bitcoin continuing to mess around, dropping sideways, so we'll see what happens next.